Hey, I'm Gareth from Park Cameras, and I have got the Vanguard VEO 2 travel tripod. Now, I wouldn't normally do just a full video on a tripod by itself, but I want to give a bit of a shout out to this tripod in particular because I've been using it for the last few weeks. I actually took it to Rome with me when I did the Fujifilm X-T30 and the GFX 50R videos, and it is just such a good little travel tripod. It is incredibly light, it is incredibly small when it's all folded up, and it is so easy to just fold out. It is definitely one of the best travel tripods I have ever used. Now, it's not going to take something like a Canon 1DX Mark II, which I was filming on earlier today, but certainly the A7 III we're filming this on now, it will take. I've had that on there before doing long exposure. It's a little bit wobbly, but as long as you set a timer, there's no worries at all. And certainly for the smaller mirrorless cameras, it is perfect. The ideal tripod for that kind of thing. It also gets very low to the ground, so if you want to do nice long exposures across lakes or the sea or anything, you want to get nice and low, or for star photography pointing up into the sky, it is perfect for that. I have had it just hanging off my bag for the whole 2 weeks. I actually forgot it was there until I need to use it, so definitely one to check out if you need a travel tripod, or really just a tripod that you can take out with you wherever you go, especially if you've got a smaller mirrorless camera or DSLR that's smaller. Absolutely perfect for that. Now, if you have any questions about this tripod or anything else, pop them down below. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.